Vlogger family na nakasalubong sina Stell at Justin sa Hong Kong may ibinahagi. Our sunshine duo Justel is in a vacation in Hong Kong. At kahit saan pa basta may Pinoy, tiyak na may makakakilala sa kanila. Just like this vlogger family na nakasalubong sila, nagpa-picture at may ibinahagi pa. Ayon sa post ng The Ruizes, naglalakad lang kayo sa Disneyland tapos makakasalubong mo si Stell at Justin. Super bait ni Justin, ang gwapo ni Stell, promise. Sinabi ko talaga sa mukha niya, ang gwapo mo Stell, tas nakalimutan ko, nandyan pala ang asawa at anak ko. Actually, sobrang bait nila. SB19 na yan Sino lang ba kami para tumigil pa sila at pumayag mag-post with us? Guys, we made the right group famous. And by their words na we made the right group famous, certified 18 pala etong The Ruizes. And we couldn't agree more with what they've said. Talent-wise, attitude-wise, and personality-wise, deserve na deserve ng SB19 ang kanilang kasikatan.